Jai Hind children, welcome in your math class. Let's start exercise 4E, and this exercise is based on multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, we have completed addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So now let's see how to multiply any 2 or 3 or more than that rational numbers. See the questions, children. Question number 1, multiply. And what we have to multiply? If you can see that there are rational numbers in front of you. So question number 1, second part is 9 by 8 and 32 by 3. These two rational numbers we have to multiply. Write down quickly, children. Question number 1, second part, 9 by 8 we have to multiply 9 by 8 by 32 by 3. 9 by 8 by 32 by 3. Okay. So we have to multiply. So we will put multiplication sign. Where we will put multiplication sign, children? Here. These two rational numbers are given and we have to multiply. Now we know that we have to multiply numerator with numerator. Numerator is 9 and 32. So multiply numerator with numerator, children, and multiply denominator with denominator. 8 and 3. So 8 into 3. This is the next step. Clear? If the denominators are same, then also you will multiply. You just see the numerator and do multiplication. See the denominator and just put the multiplication sign for finding it. If they are same, 1, whatever, you have to multiply. Now if we can simplify it further, we will simplify it first. No need to multiply and make it complex and then reduce it. First, if you make it simpler, then make it. Otherwise, multiply the numerator which is given to you. So you can see that 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. We can simplify this by 3. So now it is simplified. In the same way, 8 1s are 8 and 8 4s are 32. This also simplified. Now what is left, children? In the numerator 3, then into 4. 3 into 4 is left in numerator, and in denominator 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So simply it is 3 4s are 12. 12 by 1 you can write. You can write 12 by 1, or simply you can write it as 12. This is the final answer. Okay. 12. So in this way we can multiply any two rational numbers. Now next question is fourth part. One is negative rational number and one is positive rational number, and we have to multiply it, children. So quickly write down question number 1, fourth part. Do it side by side, children, no need to wait. Question number 1, fourth part. This is multiply minus 2 by 3, multiply minus 2 by 3 by 6 by 7. 6 by 7. See the number I have written. These two rational numbers are there, negative rational number and positive rational number, and we have to multiply. So wherever the negative sign is, we will take the negative sign with that number. Okay, like here the numerator is minus 2, so write down minus 2, multiply it with numerator 6 divided by, what is the denominator? 3 into 7. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. If the sign is there, take the sign with it. Sign आपको लेके जाना है. Now you can simplify it further if it can be simplified. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. ये हम simplify कर सकते हैं. न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर में simplification होगा. 2 and 7 cannot be simplified. So now it's over. What we will do? Now we will collect the numerator part. Minus 2 into 2 This is left in numerator divided by 1 into 7. So the answer is 2 2s are 4 minus 4 by 7. This is our final answer. It cannot be simplified further. So answer is minus 4 by 7. When you multiply these two rational numbers, you will get minus 4 by 7. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question, children. Next question is question number 1, 6th part. Write down question number 1, 6th part. It is, children, 25 by minus 9 multiply 25 by minus 9 with 3 by minus 10. 3 by minus 10. Okay. So now we will multiply this. I have written it. Now we will multiply the numerator with numerator. 25 into 3 divided by minus 9 into minus 10. Minus 9 into minus 10. Keep it in bracket because we can't write the sign side by side. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं बेटा कि मल्टीप्लाई और माइनस एक साथ लिख दिया, नहीं. So you have to keep it in bracket. Now we will see whether we can simplify it or not. 25 है और 10 है. We can simplify it by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. In this way 3 1s are 3 और ये कट जाएगा 3 3s are 9. ऐसे, ठीक है. Sometimes the students used to simplify here also. You can. It is your choice. Now next step is, because I am giving you the basics, that's why I am doing this. Okay. What is left here? In numerator 5 into what is left 1 divided by, now it is minus 3, children. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, but minus sign is there. So minus 3 into, here it is minus 2, children. Minus 2. Okay. 5 1s are 5. The next step is 5 1s are 5 and divided by 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and minus minus when multiply it will become plus. Minus minus will become plus. This is the final answer. Okay. Now question number 1, 8th part. Question number 1, 8th part, children. Write down, and I am also writing. I have to erase my board work. Meanwhile you can write down the question. Question number 1, 8th part. Minus 36 by 5. Minus 36 by 5. We have to multiply this with 20 by minus 3. 20 by minus 3. So now if you can see the board work. See. Minus 36 is the numerator. Multiply it with the next numerator. Divided by 5 is denominator. Multiply it with another denominator, that is minus 3. Now 5 1 times is 5 and 5 4s are 20. Same way 3 1s are 3 and 3 12 times is 36. Okay. So what is left? In numerator it is minus 12, children. So minus 12 into 4 divided by 1 into minus 1. So now you can write it as 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48 along with minus sign. Along with minus sign. 12 4s are 48 है, but minus sign is there, so we will put it. Divided by 1 1s are 1 and along with minus sign. Minus 1 है. Now you can see in numerator and denominator same signs are there. So we can write it as or 48 by 1 or simply 48. It can be cancelled out. As clear? Now let's see the next question. Next question is question number 2. In question number 2 we have to simplify, and you can see that there is a multiplication. Some rational numbers are given, two rational numbers are given, and we have to multiply. सो वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई टिल वी कैन. हम तब तक सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे जब तक वो होता रहेगा. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हमें लिखना है बेटा. राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड वी विल डू सेकेंड पार्ट. Question number 2, second part. This is minus 7 by 30. Minus 7 by 30 is multiplying with 5 by 14. 5 by 14. Same process, children. Same process. We have to multiply it. Same process है. Multiply numerator with numerator. Minus 7 into 5 divided by 30 into 14. 30 into 14. ठीक है, क्योंकि बीच में माइनस मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है तो हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. डिनोमिनेटर विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ कैन यू सिंप्लीफाई इट फर्दर. क्या आप इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 7 1 टाइम्स इज 7. 7 2 जा 14. ये 7 से हो गया सिंप्लीफाई. और दिस वन इज 5 1 जा 5 एंड 5 6 जा 30. So in numerator minus 1 into 1 divided by in denominator 6 into 2. So the answer is minus 1 by 12. 1 1 जा 1 minus sign के साथ and 6 2 जा 12. 6 2 जा 12. This is the answer. After this we can't simplify. 1 और 12 को हम कैसे simplify करेंगे. So this is our final answer. See next question, question number 2 and we have to do fourth part. Question number 2, fourth part. Fourth part children. It is minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8 into next is minus 16 by 3. Minus 16 by 3. अब मैं आपको इसको थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप कम करके बता रही हूँ. ठीक है. सी हाउ वी कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस. minus 9 by 8 into minus 16 by 3. सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. 3 1 जा 3 एंड 3 3 जा 9. 3 से सिंप्लीफाई हो गया. ये हो गया 8 1 जा 8 एंड 8 2 जा 16. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट. minus 3 by 1 into minus 2 by 1. आंसर आएगा 3 2 जा 6. 3 2 जा 6 माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. 1 into 1 1 और सिंपली 6. Simply 6. Okay. Now see the next question. Next question is question number 2, sixth part. Question number 2, sixth part children. In sixth part it is that you can see fifth part also minus 32 is already given. Only minus 32 into minus 7 by 36 is given. So if there is no denominator, you put 1 there. Denominator अगर नहीं है तो आप वहाँ पे क्या पुट करेंगे 1. Okay. Now question number 2, sixth part. I am erasing my board work. Sixth part children. 16 by minus 21 into minus 14 by 5. See here. See the board work. Now this can be simplified by 3. Not by 3, by 7. Okay. By 7 we can simplify. 7 3s are 21. Okay. And see the numerator minus 14. So 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now 16 and 5 cannot be further simplified. So we will write 16 into minus 2 and divided by the denominator 3 into 5. 16 2 ja 32 with minus sign divided by 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Now see the question number 3. Children, see this question number 3, second part. Here, minus 19 by 36 into 16. Okay, so now we will simplify this. 8, not from 8, 4. 4 9s are 36 and 4 4s are 16. Okay. Now what is left in numerator? Minus 19 into 4, in denominator 9. Next step children, 19 4s are 76. So, and minus sign will be there, divided by 9. This is the answer. See the next question. In next question number 4, it is minus 13 into 17 by 26. Fourth part. Write down fourth part. Minus 13 into 17 by 26. Now 13 and 26 both can be simplified. Okay, 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So we will simplify it. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. Minus 1 into 17, it is left in numerator and divided by 2. So the answer is minus 17 by 2. This is the answer. Now let's see the next question. I hope the questions are clear to you. Minus 9 by 16 and minus 64 by 27. करते हैं बेटा 6th part. Ample of questions we are solving, and you will solve all odd parts. Minus 9 by 16 into 64 by 27. Yes, minus 64 by 27. Now, see this. 9 will be simplified with 27 and 16 will be simplified with 64. So, see how. 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. Then 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. So in numerator minus 1 into minus 4 and in denominator 1 into 3, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. This is left. Now our next question is question number 4. See this question. You have to simplify. Question number 4 children. You have to simplify this. So quickly write down question number 4 second part, because in here the brackets are given. You have to multiply it separately and then you have to add it. So write down question number 4 second part children. Question number 4 second part is 16 by 15 16 by 15 into minus 25 by 8. Then you have to add the product of these two with minus 14 by 27, minus 14 by 27 into 6 by 7, 6 by 7. So let's see how to solve this. Here we will simplify it first. Then we will simplify the second part. Whatever the answer will come, we will add them. We will add them. So 8 and 16 will be simplified. So simplify it. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. In the same way, 15 and 25 will also be simplified. 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. So in numerator 2 into minus 5 is left, and in denominator 3 into 1 is left, plus. Now the next part. 14 and 7 will be simplified. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. 3 twos are 6 and 3 nines are 27. So in numerator minus 2 into 2 and 9 into 1. This is left, children. Now we will solve it. Numerator will multiply with numerator, minus 10 by 3 plus minus 4 by 9. This is left. Now you can see 3 and 9 are different denominators. You have to add them. So you will make them equal. You will make them equal. How? To multiply it with 3 so that it will become 9. So it is 10 threes are 30, minus 30 by 9 plus minus 4 by 9. So ultimately whole upon 9 minus 30 plus in a bracket minus 4. So the answer is minus 34 by 9. Minus 34 by 9. Now let's see the next question, children. In next question, fourth part, same process we will apply and we will do subtraction. हमें उसमें subtraction करना है and same process will be applied. So let's see how we will solve. Question number 4, fourth part. Write down question, children. Fourth part is minus 12 by 7. Minus 12 by 7 into minus 14 by 27. No, 27. Minus 14 by 27. And minus of minus 8 by 45 into 9 by 16. Into 9 by 16. Let's check the question. Minus 12 by 7 into minus 14 by 27 minus of. Okay, now it is correct. See here. Now what we will do? We will simplify it. 7 1 just 7 and 7 2 times is 14. 7 is simplified. 12 and 27 will simplify with 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. So in numerator minus 4 into minus 2 is left, and in denominator 1 into 9 is left. Minus 8 1 times 8, 8 2 times 16. And 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. So in numerator minus 1 into 1 and 5 into 2. Okay. So the answer, the LCM will be 90, children. 4 2s are 8, positive 8 by 9, minus of minus 1 by 10. 9 and 10, the LCM is 90. to make it 90, or you can do cross multiplication. When you will open the bracket children, minus minus will become plus. ये माइनस और माइनस मिला के क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. माइनस माइनस will become plus. 10 into 8, I am doing cross multiplication. 8 into 10, 80, plus 9 into 1, 9 upon 9 into 10. So it is 80 plus 9 divided by 90, or the answer is 89 by 90. Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. See. Okay, in this way 89 by 90. This way we can solve this question. Now question number 5. Find the cost of 3 whole 1 by 3 meter of cloth at rupees 41 by 2 per meter. Okay. In word problem children, what you will do, you just think that this is for you. This is your own question. You are going for shopping and you have to purchase, how much you have to purchase some meter of cloth, that is 3 whole 1 by 3 meter. 3 मीटर के अलावा 1 by 3 मीटर और लेना है आपको, ठीक है. Approximately 33 सेंटीमीटर. So 3 whole 1 by 3 मीटर of cloth आपको लेना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में you have to purchase cloth to be purchased is 3 whole 1 by 3 मीटर. इतना आपको क्लॉथ खरीदना है. एंड रेट ऑफ या कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर, रेट ऑफ लिख सकते हैं, या कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ इज रुपीज 41 by 2, मतलब 40 रुपीज 50 पैसा. 41 by 2 का मतलब यही हुआ, ठीक है. 40 रुपीज 1 by 2 मीटर. अगर आप 1 मीटर क्लॉथ खरीदेंगे तो आपको 40 and half मतलब 40 रुपीज एंड 50 पैसा देना होगा. अगर आप 2 मीटर क्लॉथ खरीदेंगे तो इसका डबल कर देंगे. अगर आप 3 मीटर क्लॉथ खरीदेंगे तो इसका ट्रिपल कर देंगे, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 कर देंगे, या 3 बार ऐड करेंगे. लेकिन उतनी बार ऐड करना सेम चीज को, रिपीटेड एडिशन ऑफ द सेम नंबर इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. आप 40 प्लस 40 प्लस 40 प्लस 40 करते जाइए, या 40 इंटू दैट मैनी टाइम्स कर दीजिए, है ना. तो हमको 3 होल 1 by 3 मीटर करना है. तो 3 मीटर का तो एग्जैक्टली हमको समझ में आ जाता है, लेकिन 1 by 3 भी है. तो पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा. 3 होल 1 by 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, और 3 3 जा 9 and 1 10 by 3 मीटर. और इसको लिख सकते हैं, और 42 जा 80 और 1 81 by 2, 81 by 2 रुपीज. नाउ टोटल कॉस्ट of 3 whole 1 by 3 meter is length of cloth into cost per meter. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला है. टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होगा, जितनी भी लेंथ है क्लॉथ की वो मल्टीप्लाई बाय कॉस्ट पर मीटर. 1 मीटर का कितना कॉस्ट है. सो टोटल लेंथ है आपकी 3 होल 1 by 3 मीटर. 3 होल 1 by 3 मीटर, उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कॉस्ट से, 1 मीटर के कॉस्ट से, 40 रुपीज एंड हाफ. इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 10 by 3 हमने कर दिया था ऊपर, और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 81 by 2. 2 5 जा 10 हो गया ये बेटा. ये कटेगा 3 2 जा 6 and 3 7 जा 21. So the answer is 5 into 27. और इसको आप और सॉल्व करोगे तो 7 5 जा 35, 3 बचेगा, 5 2 जा 10 और रुपीज 135. 7 5 जा 35, ठीक है. 3 बचेगा, 5 2 जा 10 और 3 135 रुपीज का आपका क्या आएगा, कॉस्टिंग आएगी. अगर आप 3 होल 1/3 मीटर का क्लॉथ खरीदते हैं। 1 मीटर खरीदेंगे, 1 मीटर इतना नहीं होता है, थोड़ा इस बोर्ड के से थोड़ा सा कम, इतना 1 मीटर होता है। तो उसके लिए आपको 40 रुपीज एंड हाफ, दैट इज 40 रुपीज 50 पैसा देना है। 2 मीटर के लिए तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, 3 मीटर के लिए तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, 10 मीटर के लिए तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10। बट यहाँ पर 3 होल 1/3 है, तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 होल 1/3 विथ 1 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ। 1 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ का कॉस्टिंग है। Now in question number 6, although we have to do question number 6, but it is same children, so it's you can do it. A bus is moving at an average speed of 46 2/3 किलोमीटर पर आवर। 1 घंटे में ये 46 और थोड़ा सा और, ठीक है, कुछ मीटर और कम कवर करती है। 46 किलोमीटर प्लस 2/3 मीटर और कवर करती है। हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 2 होल 1/5 आवर। 1 आवर का वैल्यू आपको दिया है कि 1 घंटे में आप बस में बैठे हो, इन 1 आवर 46 किलोमीटर और थोड़ा सा और, है ना, 2/3 भी दिया है, तो कुछ और किलोमीटर कवर कर रहा है। 46 किलोमीटर एंड समथिंग मीटर, तो 2 एंड 2/5 आवर में कितना करेगा? तो आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू वैल्यू, मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू वैल्यू, क्योंकि आपको 1 आवर का पता है। इन 1 आवर इतना किलोमीटर 46 एंड 2/3